the girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
It's good to be back. I was so sick. I was physically ill. By the grace of God, I am better. So I'm back at work. I went to the gym 2 days ago. Still sore from that, recovering from that. So I'm just, yeah. But it feels good to be moving around and being able to sit down and film again, film YouTube with you guys. So without further ado, let's just get started. I literally feel like I'm back in my natural habitat. What is this? What is this hair? I've been using the my hair and skin oil on my hair, and my hair has been getting thicker and longer and just healthier. Like, I can't even fit it all on the screen. It's getting like freaking lion's mane. Excited. That's what I wanted. No, let me stop. Hi guys, I'm Mars. I'm Marina. I'm that girl. I'm back with another video. Sorry that I didn't give you guys a kind of a 2 weeks notice or something that I would be gone from here. I don't think anyone cares, but sorry anyways. But anyways, I'm back. I'm back at work. Yay, right? I'm back at work and I'm happy to be doing tutorials again and life updates. I'm gonna get my nails done today, but they're like 3 weeks grown out. And anyways, let's get started with today's tutorial. So I'm going in with the tape. It's our safe space. If you know, you know. I went in with the P. Louise, this base. I'm just gonna go like this. Naked Smoky palette. I know we look crazy right now, but I promise it's gonna be cute. Just trust the process. I'm just taking the color Dagger and I'm just gonna create a smoky wing probably look today. So I'm just taking this out right here. Just enough, just like right underneath the brow. That's what I would say. Kind of creating like a little wing, like a smoked out wing. So wherever you would kind of normally place your wing, that's where you want to put it. So I'm just smoking it out, and this tape is our safe space, so it's gonna be like a sharp, nice sharp edge. So now I'm taking the color Whiskey and I'm just placing it just like that, kind of with like this shape brush. Just going, yeah, kind of like a transition shape. I'm just lightly applying this so it doesn't I don't want it like to be like such a harsh, we're gonna blend it out, but I just don't want it to be too harsh of a color, and it's like the perfect kind of neutral brown color. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just taking it all out, blending it all out, excuse me, with the clean fluffy brush. Yeah, like that. So just blending it all out. Alright, now I'm taking this champagne kind of color. It's called Dirty Sweet, and I'm just gonna pack it right on the lid. This is a super easy yet smoky, cute look. It's like a smoky eye, but it's like a very natural looking smoky eye, you know? This is like the easiest way I would probably tell anyone to create a smoky eye. This little 3-step technique. So satisfying. Take this tape off. Okay, now we have sharp line. We're gonna add a wing and some lashes. I'm gonna try to do this on camera. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. Just kind of filling it in and then sharpening it. This is harder than it looks. Can't even see clearly. There we go. Also, I'm sorry for my voice. I am recovering from being sick. So I was like physically ill. I was like throwing up, and it was bad. I had like a side effect to a medication I was taking. So anyways, I'm gonna do the other eye, put on some lashes, And I'll be back. Let's get back to reality. No, but I'm like so excited because I went to the gym for the first time like 2 days ago after being sick for so long. Which thank God for our health, right? Like you don't realize like how crucial your health is until you get sick. And you're literally on your bed asking God, please. Yeah. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. I went in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I'm gonna go in probably with the Bobbi Brown, or no, I'm gonna go with the NARS foundation. I'm kind of liking that foundation just a little bit more than the Bobbi Brown. I don't know, but for my everyday foundation, I like the NARS one for sure. So let's go on with that. Okay, here it is. I'm in the shade, it says Shake Well too. We always shake well. Barcelona on the back of the hand, and just applying it. Yeah, the finish of this foundation, I would say, it's probably my new favorite. Like, I just got it everywhere on my shirt. Oh shoot. No, but literally look on the hand. Look how it just blends so well on the back of your hand too. Just a beautiful finish, honestly, beautiful finish. But I'm just taking it. I'm kind of ditching the pawpaw. I know it's like the worst heartbreak, no, but and using these brushes, I'm kind of obsessed. If I do say so myself. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Like, look at that finish. Gently, just placing the concealer underneath my eye. Just blending it out. This is my like new favorite technique. And this brush is immaculate. And the finish, top tier. Going in with the One Size setting powder in Ultra Pink, and just going to set my face. So I just take it like that, kind of dust the oxus, and just lightly set my under eye. Okay, I got it like all over my shirt, so shout out to that. But just lightly setting it. Obsessed. Look at that finish, you guys. You angels. You beautiful souls. Charlotte Tilbury. Tilbury, darling. Tilbury. I'm not even pronouncing it right, but it's whatever. Okay. Stamping it on. Bare Minerals brush and Kiss of Copper. And just quickly. Okay, I forgot to do my under eyes. I'm taking this Urban Decay eyeliner in black. Or jet black, something like that, and just really getting a dark under eye, and then we're gonna smoke it out. I'm taking the color Whiskey and just going right underneath with a pencil brush. Not me getting mascara in my hair. Yo, what? Cut the shit. I like really fit all my hair on the screen. Like it's kind of like this would be all the way back here, but whatever. Fenty Cream, Lip Gloss, and Fenty Glow. Just had it backwards. Finish with your favorite setting spray. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Extra Glow. And I don't know why I opened my eyes. Thought I was in a splash zone. Alright, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And as always, never forget, you are that girl. Signing off.